So at the beginning of the video, that's what aspiration looks like with a chest infection, and you get that cough and it goes for hours and days and there's nothing you can do, and it's very exhausting and it goes on by the hour. Whether I have the infection or not, that cough is there all the time and it goes on by the hour, and as you can see, it affects my voice and it's damaging my voice box. The repeated aspiration, food, drink and stomach acids are affecting my voice box. And if there's one thing anyone can say, is that your voice, your ability to speak, are extremely important and you should want to preserve them at all costs. However, one thing that we know is my voice box is being damaged and affected, irreparably so, by stomach acids, food and liquids that come up day and night and cause me to cough and choke all day and all night.